Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. It's the spunky one from I Craft Everything. And today I am creating these super cute DIY Valentines. These make really cute gifts to pass out to classmates, friends, or family members, or just somebody you want to remind that you love them this Valentine's Day. So I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm actually just going to let you watch me create this, and I hope you guys find the design and want to create it too. It is the cutest, and I'm sure anyone you give it to will absolutely love this. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on any content that we drop. We're always working to bring you something new and innovative in the craft world because we craft everything. And you never know when you might find something beautiful to create. Let's go. Go ahead and grab your favorite candy, doesn't matter what kind it is, and pop it inside of the dome. Be sure to keep the paper out of the way because you're going to have to put glue around the edges to apply it to your card. Go ahead and set this off in the corner or in front of the fan to allow it to dry for a while. And voila! You've created these super cute DIY Valentines that any person would love. If you like this content and would like to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel at I Craft Everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.